Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into another little broadcast, another little morning stream with us here over at Paper Traders. Thank you so much for watching. As always, today we're going to be doing a little bit of a market review. So what happened overnight, what we can see happening going into New York session, and just a little what we will see going forward. So let's take a gander here. We outlined some moves this morning inside our Discord. We said possible little 3 drives into a nice little short. Previous day high, right? We kept on holding below that previous day high. So we saw a nice little move to the downside from that. But now we took some of those levels that were important to us, bottomed out right here. You can see nice little buying pressure came in. So seeing a little bit of a nice move to the upside, honestly. So let's see how the rest of this plays out. Want to see what happens on this 4-hour previous hourly mid is what we want to see possible. If we get back above that previous hourly mid, we can see a nice push back to the upside. Just because of the way that this 4-hour just went outside, right? This 4-hour just went outside. So the fact that they could possibly come back up and push it back up would not be bad, considering the news sell and then reversing it back up. Right, on cryptos, I posted on my Twitter this morning that this could be a possible little sell area for Jupe and FET. So we're getting a nice push to the downside from here. Let's see how these play out. Right now, let me take a gander here. Actually, I'm gonna look at that. We did see a nice bottom right there. So let's see how this 15, if it wants to retrace back down and continue giving us that sell side, which would be the next level that I'm looking for is 21,635.75. That's the next level that I'm looking for, aiming for possible for that possible delivery, right? That's right there. And that lines up pretty well with our standard deviation. So if we outline this move right here, this is our standard deviation. That's that manipulation move that gave us that final third drive right into these highs. So right now we were looking for a possible continuation with this 5-minute retrace. It did give us bottom a little bit, right? We held above this liquidity. So I just want to see how it plays out and what they want to do. We still have some news coming up at 10 Eastern. So let's see how that plays out and what they want to do with that. Nice little M pattern as well on that hourly time frame. I know that's Timmy's favorite. He loves to play those M's. That's at Big Timmy Hedge on Twitter. If anybody's curious to check out how he's trading, he provides some nice insights on the markets. So let's check it out. All right, 1 minute time frame, kind of that little setup. So let's see if they want to continue dropping this 5, and this was just a retrace on the 15, just because of the way it opened up right there. We are above that midday, so I just want to see how they do it or what they want to do with that. Yeah. Yep. If we can get back below that previous 4-hour low, that would give me more conviction for that downside, honestly. So let's see how they want to keep pushing this or what they want to do with it. Next 5 minutes is about to open up, so I think that will be a good telltale sign of what they want to do with this 15-minute, as it will be. No, it won't be the second. Yeah, it is going to be the second 15 minutes. So this could be a potentially open high, low close 15-minute candle, right? Retesting or kind of giving us a nice push to the upside, bouncing off of this level because I'm sure we had a lot of liquidity, right? You can see how much action has happened over here, how many stops have been generated over here. So the fact that we saw a nice little bounce does not surprise me, right? Want to see even if we put on this, where's my crack indicator? Liquidity detector crack. So yeah, crack indicator says long on this. So I want to see what they do, what they keep on doing, right? Just because we had a nice liquidity sweep there. So that can be a potential nice bottom for today, for a continuation up move. If that's what we're playing, just want to see how this 5 minute plays out. If we come back down, retest this daily or this midnight open, right? Then I can see a continuation up, like retest and hold of this midnight open, retest and hold of that. That's gonna give me more conviction to the upside if it holds. I mean, the fact that we have that nice liquidity sweep does provide enough on there, but just for some confirmation, right? This hourly, they still got 23 minutes in it, so want to see how that closes out. See what they want to do. If they sweep this, that'd be even better, right? If they swept that low right here at 21,635.75. That's what we would almost want to see. So let's see how they play this out. Let's see what they want to do. Let's wait a second here. If anything, right, we'll take a long position right there. If they don't want to push it back up, or like from here, if they don't want to push it back up, then it's likely going to come back down. So let's, even the way this 5 minutes opening up right now is a little bit like let's see, yeah, a retest of that would be nice. Like on the 1 minute, they do want to. Looks like they do want to keep pushing it up right now. So it looks like this 15 minute might close pretty strongly, and that might give us that yeah, look at that. Look how much liquidity. I mean, I'm sure a lot of liquidity got swept right there. Right, so we're going to keep on grinding up, keep on going up, see what we do. Let me see. So they swept that previous 5 minute. Now, right, previous 1 minute. Let's see if they want to retrace it from there. See, this would almost give us that falling 3 on the 5 if they retrace it, and next candle down is going to be taking out these liquidities down here. This is getting a nice short right now on that. Wow. Let me update that chart for everybody. Or not chart. Thank you for whoever's watching here. Appreciate you. So like we said, below that daily open is a likely sell. So let's see. So Fed below that daily open is what I wanted to see. And honestly, that might do it for today's little stream. I mean, short and sweet, right? Gave you those levels to the downside. See what we can possibly do. So right now, London has swept both. So we can possibly see a nice S&D day here on Wednesday. We're still waiting on some news at 10. So just stay wary of that. Other than that, appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you check out our Discord. That's www.papertraders.io. It's the best way to stay updated on the things that we're doing. We're bringing constant value, so we got a lot of stuff in there right now. We had a nice update this morning on what we wanted to see, and it played out perfectly. So love that. Check it out. Check it out for those daily plans for anything trading related if you want to check it out. If you guys also go to www.papertraders.io, you'll see a few free tools that you can use, like the Trader Log, ICT Trainer, Candle Creator, and Risk Calculator. Just helps you, just those tools that can help you in trading, right? That everybody always talks about and that you pay extreme amounts of money for. But those are free tools that we provide that were coded by Mr. Hayes himself. So check them out. Also, if you join the Discord, you get some free indicators, some nice free indicators like this previous hourly, all of these indicators. We also have the key levels indicator coded by Mr. Hayes. So check it out, right? Come hang out. Even if it's for $9.99, you get 4 or 3 indicators that are free with that subscription. So even if you do that, that'd be awesome. Also check out our Bluefin partnership. That's what we're using to trade these perp pairs. So check it out if you're into crypto futures trading and you're wanting to use your own money. That's the best way to do it, right? Available in the US. If you go there and you use the Bluefin link that's provided on the paper traders to sign up, you get a nice $100 refund back on any loss that you take on Solana, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. And if you use the code Eddie or Hazed, then you get 20% initial deposit bonus on your amount up to $500. So check it out. See what you think. We love using them. It's what we have been using. On that note, thank you guys. And we're getting that nice little dump right here. Let's see, like we said, we want to see what they do around this volume imbalance, if they want to fill that or if they want to continue down through it, right? This level is going to be important to us, 21,679.50. Let's see how they want to play that out. And let's see how many buyer sellers we get off of that. So let's see, did they just tap that? Need to turn off some of these indicators so you can see it a little bit more clear. Let's see, right? So if we are wanting to long, possible right there, right? That's if they want to continue this this move up on that volume imbalance, or if they want to fill it and just grind through it back down and take out some more liquidities, that's totally cool with us too. On that, display our prices, display what we see, what's in front of us. Need to break that daily open, continue to the downside, see how we react to this volume imbalance, right? If they fill it, then fill it and continue up, or break through it and continue down lower, making new hourly lows, making new 4-hour lows. Kind of have an hour and 16 minutes left in this 4 hours still. So let's see what they do. If they can't hold it below this 4-hour low, then it's likely a continuation up. That's it for me. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Love you. And we'll see you later tonight. Peace out. What up, J8? Thanks for tuning in, brother. We'll see you guys.